What's up, everybody? So we're here coming with a new recipe. We're going to be making a berry medley vanilla blizzard. I'm going to be doing the recipe for 2 people, but I'm only going to be telling you for 1 person. So we have everything measured out already. So what you're going to want to do is everybody's protein is a little bit different. Some of the single servings are going to call for a different amount of grams. So just go for 1 serving of protein for 1 person. Just going to throw that in there. Bam. And then for the yogurt, we have fat-free. I'm using plain yogurt, but it's better to use Greek yogurt. And so that one's gonna call for 85 grams of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. But that's gonna be nice and chunky. And then almond milk is gonna be 65 grams of almond milk. Now we're gonna get into the good stuff, where shit matters. So you're gonna want 5 grams of sweetener. I got this kind of sweetener. You can use whatever sweetener you want, just don't use sugar. The one that brings it all together is gonna be your xanthan gum. 3 grams. Okay. Now we're gonna do 1 serving of the berry medley. For 1 person, do a half a serving. So 70 grams of this berry medley. Boop. Last but not least, handful of ice. We're gonna snap it on there. That boy on there. Hit. Hit. This is where the magic begins. Ready, set, go. Tastes like strawberry cheesecake for reals. Damn! So in this whole entire recipe for 2 people, there's about 420 calories, 49 grams of protein. That's a steal. So that means if I eat half of this, I am going to have like 24 and a half something grams of protein and what, 210 calories for this whole thing. And then I could still probably fill this up again. Still have that much more left. So I get to have all this, get to have a full belly, and I still won't even be over my macros. That's a steal.